ये वो महाराजा हरि सिंह का पैलेस था, जिस ऊपर जो व्हाइट वाला है वहां से वो सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक हुई थी ऊपर। यहाँ पर वो गाना शूट हुआ था इंडियन मूवी का, बमरो बमरो शामरंग बमरो।
और यहाँ हुआ था।
आधा इधर आधा पहलगाम में हुआ था।
Yo, what's up guys? I'm starting my vlog directly from Srinagar. Right now I'm at Srinagar, okay? So this is like out of nowhere. I know. मतलब मैं सोचा था अच्छे से vlog करूँ, but nothing goes as a plan, right? I feel like I'm not the only one who have witnessed this. So मैं बस आप लोगों को view दिखाना चाहता हूँ. It's like I don't know how much, like 12 degree right now in Srinagar. It's kind of cold for me क्योंकि मैं आसाम से आया, आसाम गुवाहाटी, मतलब I was there in Guwahati and then it was like kind of not cold. I mean it was kind of hot, so weather changed, everything changed, like it's very tough for me right now. So anyways, besides that, I just want to show you around, okay? So this is the view. This is the view from my room. This is like what? Vegetables. और ये थोड़ा कुछ पता नहीं क्या है. So to be honest, I'm not so sure about if I can vlog out here also because यहाँ पे थोड़ा defense area होता है. It's like I don't know. So वो मेरे को जानना पड़ेगा. So that's one thing. So I'm heading out right now. So this is the lobby. Okay. This is the first floor. And this is what this balcony. I'll show you around. Check this out. Last night it was pretty cold, but right now it's not cold. I mean it's kind of okay, to be honest. Just like Shillong weather. So basically this is the hotel, okay? This is the place that where we're staying, and then the front side is like the restaurant. It's a very nice restaurant, and this is what, garden maybe? Yeah, it's a garden. I don't know. Why am I picking like a? Oh, it's locked, so we can't go there. I had some egg, what is this, sandwich, this given by my dad, this sabzi, not heavy, just a light breakfast, because you guys know that I eat heavy, if you have watched my video. Egg. So I don't know where we are going exactly because I'm very confused with the place's name out here. It's very complicated, and I heard Kargil and all, like some names are familiar because we watch movie, तो यहाँ पे obviously Jammu and Kashmir movie सब तो थोड़ा थोड़ा कुछ पता है. But then right now we are getting ready, so as usual I'm late and I'm rushing to the car right now. This is our vehicle. Nana sana. My blood बोलता रहता.
इतना है तीसरी वाली खेलो तो हमें खिलाना.
Look at this. Welcome to Gulmarg. And look at this view, wow. हम लोग श्रीनगर से आए वो रास्ता से, so the car stays here. They don't allow the other vehicle to go. यहाँ से आगे जाने नहीं देता है, मतलब दूसरा गाड़ी. You have to hire another vehicle. So that's one thing for you to know. And this is I love Gulmarg sign, very pretty. It's colored with gold. Because it's gul or gold, I don't know. They pronounce Gulmarg, but I think it's Gulmarg. So this is the view. Wow. To be honest, I love this place. Okay, I've been to Manali, I've been to Himachal, but Himachal और यहाँ में बहुत difference है. Okay. Ano sana mo na?
Ano, may...
Hello, Tamboy. Hello,
We are very lucky to visit this place.
You want to say something to our
We
your
missed
brother?
Lalboy and Thangboy. In case if they can able to come this time, it may be very good and enjoyable. This Gulmarg place, there are so many pine trees, which we have seen since our childhood in our villages, and around this around this area there are so many pine trees, and then there is snow forest there, and I
Loi le pai ho.
Loi le pai.
Video ano ve ho jo se la ai the le Gulmarg ga ano chi wo ano me.
and subscribe his channel.
Thank you.
आपको मैं हिस्ट्री बोल रहा हूँ। ये जो कश्मीर था ना, जो एक पाकिस्तान के पास है कि इस हिंदुस्तान के पास है।
दो जगह।
हाँ, ये महाराजा हरि सिंह का था। तो महाराजा हरि सिंह जो है ना, उसका बेटा पार्लियामेंट मेंबर है करण सिंह। तो महाराजा पैलेस वो झंडा जो ले रहा है ना उधर, वो
अच्छा वो
फिर बाद में पाकिस्तान ने झगड़ा बोल दिया, फिर हिंदुस्तान का फौज आ गया।
हाँ, यहाँ गाड़ी नहीं था, बोला आपका गाड़ी चल जाएगा ना, लेकिन प्रॉब्लम नहीं हुआ।
चेन वाला चलता है उस टाइम, पीछे वाले टायर में चेन लगाता है, फिर गाड़ी आते हैं। और यहाँ से हम परमिट लेते हैं इस जगह के लिए।
अच्छा, पुलिस स्टेशन है ना यहाँ पे।
इधर भी है, गुरुद्वारा भी है।
वो मंदिर है।
हाँ, ये सिक्किम का लिफ्ट है। आप कहाँ से हो?
असम।
असम।
हाँ।
असम तो लास्ट वाला पड़ा हुआ है हिंदुस्तान का। देखो सर, ये जो झंडा ले रहा है ना, ये वो महाराजा हरि सिंह का पैलेस था, जिसे हम यहाँ लोग झंडा। हाँ, क्योंकि इसको पैलेस क्यों बोलते हैं?
क्यों?
क्योंकि उस जमाने में मतलब यही कॉटेज थे। तो जो यहाँ के लोकल के घर थे ना, वो मिट्टी के थे, इसलिए इसको बोलते थे उस जमाने में महाराजा पैलेस। देखो, जनवरी, फरवरी, मार्च, अप्रैल, मई, जून, जुलाई, अगस्त, ये 8 महीने में किसी भी टाइम आप आ जाएगा। आपको गुलमर्ग इतना अच्छा लगेगा, कहने की बात नहीं। ये गल्फ कोर्स है, एशिया का हाईएस्ट गल्फ कोर्स, ये वाला। वो बीच में चर्च है।
अच्छा, ये गल्फ कोर्ट था।
ये गल्फ कोर्स है।
कौन सा? सेम मैरिज चर्च।
हाँ, वो सेंट मैरिज चर्च है।
अच्छा, वो
सेंट मैरी चर्च अंदर जा
पूरा
सकता है।
कश्मीरी कल्चर यहाँ से दिखाते हैं।
सेंट मैरी चर्च जा सकता है अंदर।
वो बंद है सर, खाली विंटर में ओपन रहता है, क्योंकि विंटर में ज्यादा
अभी विंटर है ना।
विंटर कहाँ बर्फ है, वो अंग्रेज लोग आते हैं उस टाइम ओपन करते हैं। ये जो है ना,
अंग्रेज लोग आते हैं
सिक्किम के लिए आते हैं ना।
अच्छा।
यहाँ पर वो गाना शूट हुआ था इंडियन मूवी का, बमरो बमरो शामरंग बमरो।
अच्छा।
प्रीति जिंटा और ऋतिक रोशन। ये देखो, वो सफेद वाला पहाड़ है ना, उसके नीचे गाड़ी रुकेगी। ये पहाड़ के सामने ये जो पहाड़ रुकेगी, वहाँ जाना है। बस ये दिल साफ होना चाहिए,
साफ होना चाहिए और अच्छा इंसान होना चाहिए।
हाँ, ये बात है, क्योंकि ये धरती ये हर किसी को छोड़ के जानी है।
आजकल सब आदमी खराब नहीं है, लेकिन बीच में एक दो आदमी खराब दुनिया को खराब कर देते हैं।
देखो, अभी वो इसराइल फलस्तीन का झगड़ा चल रहा है, ठीक है सर। हिंदुस्तान में 24 करोड़ आबादी मुस्लिम की है, ठीक है ना। सब एकजुट के ही रहते हैं। अब कुछ बंदे अभी नेट पे आ रहे हैं। अच्छा, ठीक है। तो उसके ऊपर जो व्हाइट वाला है, वहाँ से वो सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक हुई थी ऊपर, जिसमें वो अभिनंदन का एक जहाज उस पार गिरा था, दूसरा जल के वापस आया था।
So we are stopping here right now. This is like our vehicle place. This is the parking place. और ये देखिए the view. Can you guys see it? So this is the tea stall. ये छोटा सा एक टी स्टॉल है. यहाँ पार्किंग, यहाँ आप बैठ के चाय पी सकते हो. मैगी भी है यहाँ पे. It's very hard to breathe because I'm talking a lot and I'm climbing also at the same time. We're gonna see some. Okay. What we got here? Oh shit. The mountains, if you can see, these are what? These are the border area, I guess. This is like dividing Pakistan and India. So this place is like dividing Pakistan and India, as far as I know. As far as the guy told me. Wow, look at the view. I wish I can go and climb up there, you know, to be honest. Oh, I'm already loving this place, to be honest. मेरे को यहाँ से और दूसरा जगह जाने का भी मन नहीं कर रहा है. So यहाँ का हो गया. यहाँ से अभी निकलेंगे, थोड़ा चाय वाय पियेंगे, because like my mom and dad, they are chai lovers. So obviously I'm not chai lovers. So the people of Kashmir, I love them. Like they're very good. They're very like, even the tourist guys and all that, compared to other places I've been, the tourist guide, you know, they're not that frank, you know. But out here they're good. They're very good, the Kashmiri people. But I don't know anything. I just came today, first time in my life, and I'm just saying things about it. So you can't judge.
ये नागिन वन था.
ये बीकन मतलब I love.
ये रोड मेंटेन करते बीकन वाले, ये आर्मी का एक होता है.
अच्छा.
और ये मुस्लिम शाइन है इधर. जो
अच्छा,
बच्चे के
अच्छा.
बारे में गाना गाते हैं ना, परदल जोली, जब मुनि को घर लेकर जा रहे वो पीर बाबा के.
हाँ मुन्नी, हाँ.
है वो.
और यहाँ हुआ था.
आधा इधर आधा पहलगाम में हुआ था.
अच्छा.
ये वो अंदर.
बहुत सुंदर है. So we stop in the next location. तो ये कौन क्या नदी है, क्या रिवर स्ट्रीम?
ये अफरवट लेक है.
अफरवट लेक.
हाँ जाओ जल्दी दौड़ के आ जाओ.
तो ये बड़ा है कि बहुत लंबा है?
उतना लंबा नहीं,
लंबा नहीं,
छोटा
छोटा लेक है ना, छोटा है. अच्छा.
और उधर बड़ा भी है, थोड़ा घूम के आ.
अच्छा. So we stop here. यहाँ पे थोड़ा बर्फ है, तो भैया बोला कि यहाँ पे थोड़ा बर्फ, we can just see and whatever, touch, फोटो लेना है जो भी हो. यहाँ पे एक थोड़ा लेक भी है. So that area, if you can see the signboard, if you can see, so there is a little small lake. So we're gonna go there and I'm gonna show you around. Whew. It's like little bit hard to breathe, little, because oxygen level, I don't know. It's cold. It's very cold. Even though I'm not feeling that cold, but it's cold. Check this out, guys. ये पूरा ice है, ice. Oh wow. See, my goodness. यहाँ पूरा थोड़ा बर्फ गिरा हुआ है. Oh, this is not even lake. This is pond. This is like a very tiny pond. I think the water comes from the hill. So I don't know, Bajrangi Bhaijaan, if you guys have seen that movie. So if you have seen that movie, there was like a little girl called Munni. You guys are very familiar about her name and herself. I mean, because it was a very good movie. I watched it. I mean, so that area, that hill, as the guide told me, that is the place where Munni lives. Okay, but right now I don't know if she's there or not. But yeah, behind this mountain, she lives there. Her home was there, and the shooting was all around near this area. I mean, those side, I think I've shown you also the masjid, the small masjid and everything. Check this out. Someone was trying to make this snowman or something, I guess. I thought यहाँ मतलब बहुत बड़ा सा लेक होगा, कुछ होगा. but so we're gonna head back now. There's my dad and my mom and my sister. So let's go, okay? Okay, so right now we are at Bhuta Patri. Correct me if I'm wrong, okay, in the comment section. But then, right now we are in Bhuta Patri. We reached the area. This is the last checkpoint, or I don't know, but we can't go further like from here. I just want to share some information with you. So this river, this is a river, okay? Let me go near. So this river is actually, ये river मतलब Pakistan से आता. It's kind of, they say that it's kind of dry right now, but then used to be like lots of water out here. You can see it's nice. I mean, I didn't expect Kashmir to be like so pretty. Wow, it's really amazing. आप लोग को दिखाई नहीं दे रहा होगा, लेकिन ये जो पेड़ बड़ा बड़ा दिख रहा है, उसका पीछे एक पहाड़ है, ठीक है, सामने में है, ज़्यादा दूर नहीं है, 5 किलोमीटर। ये पेड़ का पीछे एक पहाड़ है, वो पहाड़ से मतलब यहाँ से 8 किलोमीटर, 5 किलोमीटर में पहाड़ है, उसके बाद 8 किलोमीटर में पाकिस्तान। यहाँ से पाकिस्तान डायरेक्ट। यहाँ से अगर आप चाहते हो तो आप घोड़ा लेके जा सकते हो। You can just get a horse, or I think there is only a horse. So you can take a horse and then you can climb up there and you can just like visit the LOC, the Pakistan border. And this is it. Like places are like, you know, the scenery is good, vibe is good, everything is good, it's clean, water is there, trees are tall, trees are pretty, the sky is blue, amazing. You guys can visit. I mean, if you like my video, I don't know if I'm showing you guys everything nicely, but if you like the video, you can surely visit. I think we're gonna head back now. I really want to have a horse ride, but my mom and dad, they're old. I mean, like, they're not old, but they can't have a horse ride, you know, because their back will be like hurting so bad. So I'll be in trouble later because I have to massage them. So we're gonna head back now. We're gonna head back to Gulmarg. After Gulmarg, we're gonna head back to Srinagar again. I think we're gonna visit apple farm, and that's it. So we have reached Gulmarg again. I'm literally very tired, to be honest. Not so tired, but then I'm kind of feeling lazy right now. It's already like about to be 4. So हम लोग यहाँ पे खाना खाएंगे. We're gonna have some food, our lunch. The place is nice though. I don't think we can stay here. I mean, if we could stay here, then it would be like much better. But then I don't think we can stay here. And on the way, we're gonna stop by in a apple farm. So that's one thing. Yeah, breakfast, an apple farm, and then hotel. That's it for today. Because like I'm traveling with my mom and dad, so they get tired easily. And this is not my plan also. This is like their plan because I don't want to make plan. If I make my own plan, I guess right now we'll be like hiking, going in the forest or somewhere. That's not possible for them. That's the thing. We're gonna have our lunch and then we're gonna head back then. So my dad is like climbing up. He's very excited. Okay, wait, I'll show you.
हम लेके जाकर जल्दी आपको लगाना
I stole one apple. I'm just hiding it. Just one, okay? Not that bad person, okay? I'm just hiding one. In kg, I think we are paying 300. If I'm not wrong. I mean, it's very costly. यहाँ से निकल जाएंगे और actually my battery is also very low. I don't know how long I can vlog and I can continue. But I hope it stays for a while so that I can vlog nicely. यहाँ पे थोड़ा पल लेंगे और निकल जाएंगे यहाँ से. So right now we are at our hotel. मेरा phone battery dead हो चुका था. So I had to come back here and I charged my phone. So बीच में बहुत कुछ miss कर दिया, but then it's alright. The party doesn't end here. So we are going to marketplace, like nearby market. यहाँ ज़्यादा दूर नहीं है, सामने में. We're gonna go. My moms and everyone's are waiting for me. So I'll be getting out. We'll get some cab or something. Night time, it's very freezing. So this is the auto we came in. ये local market है. Lal Chowk. I'm not wrong. It's called Lal Chowk. तो यहाँ पे थोड़ा कुछ घूमेंगे. Mom, sister, dad, they are watching, like they are behind me. They're gonna buy soul and everything. I am not so interested. So we're gonna take a walk or maybe check around somewhere. The place is nice. I mean, it's just like a Guwahati clothes and all. It's all same. ये जगह देख रहे हो? This is just like Big Ben. Like even they made it same as like in Kolkata. Kolkata लोग ने भी बनाया था. इसका थोड़ा बड़ा है, ये थोड़ा छोटा है. Yeah, so I was saying, so we are at like Lal Chowk. Okay, yeah, Lal Chowk. I'm so confused with the name right now. Okay, so excuse me for that. So right now we are we are at Lal Chowk. तो वो side local market था. This side is like all showroom. As you can see, all these shops, like it's all showrooms and all. And this place remind me of that, Gangtok का वो जो MG Mark है ना, वो Mahatma Gandhi Mark or something. It reminds me of that. Oh, this area is also known as Ghanta Ghar because maybe there's a ghanta. Oh. So I guess this is it. यहाँ पे तो और showroom, मतलब दुकान, the shops get closed like very early. No idea, and I don't want to ask people also why is that. But then it just get closed early. So right now it's already 7:30. It's getting closed right now. We'll be heading back to our hotel and we're gonna have our dinner there only. I guess there is no other way. Look at the view, yo. It's really good. I love it. I hope you guys enjoy it just like me. And okay, so we're gonna head back now. And it's very cold. Okay, I'm telling you, it's very cold.